All right, guys. Today is 2016, November 14th, and welcome to ProJack's live webinar. And last week we have very fantastic week, right? Due to the U.S. election. I know that a lot of people are making money, right? And it seems that most of our strategy works. And congratulations to Ali, who makes almost 600% returns after he taking the course. And I think Ken is also doing a very good job. How about the others? Do you guys making any profits right now? Still have any profitable trade? Yeah. Yeah. Because I do, because I have my Aussie is running well. My Aussie dollar, I have a short from the pink bar. I have a 10 loss right now. It's running good. It's almost 13,000, and my account balance grows from 7,000 to 32,000. That is, I mean, it's not bad. Just only for 4 days, right? So right now I'm considering to short the pullback again. I've already set the limit order. Because Aussie has broken the structure here, so I want to short the pullback. It's almost hit my entry level just now, but not quite. But no worries, I have multiple entries. So if Aussie did goes up, I will try to short it again. Okay, because long term from the weekly candle, it is very bearish, and the Aussie will potentially makes very big fall to 0.70, 0.70 this level. All right. Oh, I see James. Wow, some of people's face. James, hi. Oh, maybe I should open my videos, right? I just came back from gym, so we're wearing shorts. Well, it's this winter now in China, right? Okay. Okay, let's look at the dollar index first. As we said a long time ago, dollar index will have this potential ABCD, right? And then typically for this ABCD pattern, there's also another tool we need to apply, which is a Fibonacci extension 1.618. Okay, so right now we can see that it has reached the 1.414, not yet hit the 1.618, but it's possible. Okay, and we can see the candle is very bullish, right? Do we? Okay, guys, remember to chat here, okay? I know that some of you want to hear me from like the Nikkei, right? JPN 225 and also dollar yen. Okay, so just leave your message here over the chatting. Okay, all right, so hi, fine. Yeah, long time no see. Okay, so the DXY is making a very good strong rally, okay, but it's almost hitting it's already hitting the previous structure. Okay, yeah, which is 100 level. And today it just touched the 100 level, right? But it didn't actually really break through. However, we don't want to short the dollar right now because it's still very bullish candle. We want to take some profit for our dollar long position, especially when you have some euro short or sterling short or dollar yen long. You can consider to take some profits. It's always good to take a profit in the resistance zone. Okay, in this area, you want to take some profits, and only by watching the price actions. Okay, if we observe a very good long pin bar, okay, such kind of a pin bar, right, and you can short. Okay, however, I do still think that the dollar will go to 101.06 is a very high possible way that the dollar may still continue to rally. Okay, and this is weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. So let's look at the monthly chart. So for the monthly chart, we can see that the dollar has making a very good bottom. Right? Let's wait for the monthly chart. Where's the candle? Okay, yeah. A little bit slow, but should be okay. Okay, guys, okay, take a note that the dollar, okay, although we have a structure here, okay? But tell me, for the dollar, do you think this is in a high location or low location in the monthly chart? Okay, we have a very low price here, 72, and the previous high monthly chart, the peak is about 120, right? And right now it is in the middle, right? Am I right? Guys, reply me here. Okay, the location, right? It is not in a very high location. It is in the somewhere in the middle, in the middle. So although we have some structure here, but this structure might be broken. And another high possible way the dollar facing up, the resistance will be at 105. This level, this candle, okay, this structure, and also then this double tops neckline will be 111, okay, will be this level, okay. So the dollar may still continue rally, and if it breaks up, if it breaks up this 101, it may further goes up almost to 105, okay. And if we apply a Fibonacci level, right, we apply a Fibonacci level, and what do we see, guys? What do we have? Do we have a 618 level just here, 101.80? Do you see that? This is a monthly chart, right? And remember just now when we look at the daily charts, weekly charts, we have a 1.618 extension, right? It's 101.106. Okay, it's very, very close. Okay, so let's take a very good observation when the dollar rise to 101.106 and 101.80. Watch this level, okay? Watch this level. And if you want to take a short, you can try, because this is a 618 level, okay? After so bearish and sideways and becomes bullish again, and this is the first time it comes to 0.618. All right, are we clear, guys? So this will be a monthly resistance, okay? Yeah, type 1 if you hear me. Type 1 if you hear me. Okay, good. All right, nice. Okay, so let's take about the gold. Let's talk about the gold. After every week, okay, the first things you need to analysis is the dollar index, okay, because the dollar, the strength is weaker or is stronger. You need to put into the consideration for you trading other pairs. All right. Okay, the gold is 1217 now. Okay, and we just have a very nice shot for the gold after the election. Okay, will the makeup of the DXY basket be something to be considered? Yes, yeah, it will. Yeah, dollar index are the most important, or the biggest components with the euro and the yen, and also sterling, Canada. Okay, also like Sweden, you know, some other currencies, yeah. But the most important is the euro and the yen, okay. Okay, the gold, if after the election, before the election, what we did, we short based on the pullback to 1306, okay. And before the election, the shorting position is running very good to 1275, and it actually runs to this level, okay. This is like almost like a bottom neckline, pulls back here, okay. So take some profit, rest, making the break even, then it rallies again, okay. Take away our short position here, but it goes up to this structure. And a lot of people, I mean, in our group, I think we have some people who short the gold at 1321, right? And I also talked in the WhatsApp group. We mentioned that if the gold cannot break up 1343, we can short, right? This is a very, very important structure. Okay, very, very important structure. And the immediately after we short, okay, it have such a long pin, okay, on the day itself. So the next day after you see this pin bar, you can short it again, right? And our shorting is doing very, very good. And look at the gold now. The gold is approaching the previous structure here, 1,200 level. Can't hear you clearly. Are you sure? Really? I think my microphone is good. Hmm. How about other people? Can you hear me? Okay, cool. Okay, so based on the structure, okay, so guys, remember when I teach you in the our pro trading course, the very first lecture we have is the structure, right? Do you still remember? Right? Just check our course. Go to, you can open the course syllabus, right? And Bernard just print it out, right? So we have our day one, okay? We have foundation of technical analysis, and we just introduce structures, right? So structures is the key, okay? Structure is your, your, structure is really the butter, the bread and butter, okay, for all the tradings, okay? This is so important, right? So don't forget about structure analysis. And look at here, look at the gold, okay? So gold is approaching the previous structure, 1,200. And what's the trend now, guys? Tell me, what is the trend? Okay, the most important thing for this webinar is not only for you guys to know what is my view, but it's also very good practice to follow me and to make your brain to think, okay, what is a trend, what is a location, everything, okay? So try to get some reviews, get some, okay, rehearsals. Yes, downtrend, yeah, very good, downtrend, but it's facing support, right? So what will you do? What will you do after you're doing? So you look at here, you see this scenario. Okay, of course, we want to take some profit for our short position, right? Isn't it? Okay, we know that 1,200 will have some structure, may have some bounce. Okay, a lot of people, a lot of shorting guys, they also want to do the same thing. They want to take some profit. Okay, so when the gold approach the level, approach the structural support, take some profit of your short position. And the next thing is we are expecting the gold to have a support, have a bounce. Okay, so we take some profit. And if gold really bounce back to this level, what can you do, guys? To this previous structure, what can you do? About 1,001 to, yeah, 1 to 49 to 1 to 52. Yes, it will be a very nice shorting trade, right? Because this structure is violated. Okay, now it's become resistant, so we can short here. Okay, and the next time when we short, after we short, the gold may not have a support here. We'll go through. Okay, and the final target will be about 1,000 and 1,100, 1116. If I'm not wrong, that is a very higher time frame. The cipher pattern. Okay, we have a cipher pattern here. Okay, yeah, so this cipher pattern tells you that it may go all the way to here. Okay, and also the previous, the double bottom neckline or the cup handles neckline. Okay, so that is our long-term view for the gold. Okay, so wait for the rally and we want to short. Okay, similar, this just happened last time. Okay, wait for the rally. Okay, after this break, wait for the rally, and we want to short it. Okay, we want to short. Okay, we want to short. We short, we catch this wave. We short again, we catch this, maybe the final wave. Jonathan is asking if it breaks above 1,250, would that be possible sign that the downtrend is over? Yes, it may be. Yep. If the gold, okay, can push back above 1,250, okay, push back again and retest it, cannot falling down anymore, it may reversal. Okay, it may reversal. And what's another scenario or another sign that it may do the reversal is it has to break the downtrend line. Okay, it has to break this downtrend line. Okay, if not, it will just sideways. Okay, why I say sideways? Okay, if the gold cannot break 1,002, say for example, okay, we have equal lows, right? We are having a equal lows, and we are having a, how about the highs? Hi, Eddie. How about the highs, guys? We have equal lows and lower highs. Okay, this is giving you a scenario that, yes, it is not going up or neither is going down. It is just squeezing, right? Just squeezing. Yeah. So if possible, although in the recent flow it looks like a downtrend, but at least from this 1,200 level to 1,370 level, it's still not making any direction. It's like why this is ranging. Okay, it's ranging. All right. So how to trade this ranging? Yeah, we want to trade this pullbacks, and if cannot break this inner structure, we want to short and aim for the previous low and aim for the even lower. Okay, and if it breaks up, of course, our short position you need to cut. Okay, you need to stop. You need to stop. Okay, and it may go to touch this trend line. Okay, however, in this fundamental analysis of things, right, we can see that the gold. Okay, guys. Now we look at here. What does this long pin tells you? What does this long pin tells you? It tells you that all the buyers of the gold has already spent the money, right? They spend the money, push the gold all the way to 1,340, and those big institutional guys are selling to them, right? Or people who want to buy the gold and saying that, yeah, the Trump is become the U.S. president. A lot of crazy things may happen. A lot of the world is insecure, and I want to buy the gold, just for the sake to save heaven, right? Those people have already spent a lot of money buying the gold all the way to 1,340, and that didn't work. Okay, so the downward momentum is very strong. Okay, so just take the note that the gold may all the way go to 1,200 first, and then 1,100, 116. Okay. So that is a long-term view for the gold. Okay, so take any possibilities you want to short for the pullback. And another thing is, you see here, the trend line is broken also, right? It has broken twice. This one is the first. Okay, this is the first finish of the uptrend. Okay, this one is the second broken. Okay, another trend line has been violated. Okay, so pull back, you want to short. Okay, are we clear? Are we clear of the gold? Okay, good. Let's move on to oil. Okay, a little bit slow. Okay, oil is going down, and now it's 42.80. Looks like some other technical analysis, the old conventional analysis. We'll see. Yeah, they have a support. Okay, there may be some people want to buy here, but I won't suggest you guys to do that because we just want to keep our short, right? We have just completed this. 51.77 is a butterfly pattern, which I draw in the trading view. Right? We draw in the trading view here. Yeah, here, 51.71, right? Yeah. So this butterfly pattern just works so perfect. Okay, to catch really the turning point, right? Really the turning point. So the first target is 46. Second target is 39. Yeah, 39. This structure, this thing, we may not hold this level. It may all the way goes down to 39, and if it breaks 39, it may goes to 36. Okay, and do remember we can just draw the Fibonacci level. Okay, Fibonacci level from here to here. All right, so where is the 618 level? 35.95. So that's why I'm bearish for the oil to go down to 35.95, similar to the structure here, support here. Okay, we have some support here, so it's good, it is wise to take some profit for the oil at this level, and you may seek for buying opportunities. Okay, so this is for the oil. And what we can do now, if you already gone, if you don't have any position right now, okay, do you want to sell at 43, guys? Tell me, who is selling oil at this low? No, right? Yeah, don't sell the low, buy the low and sell high. But in this scenario, we know that it is not a low position or no low location for us to buy, but at least you don't sell into the support, okay? All right, so if you want to sell the oil, wait for the pullback and sell it again, okay? Wait for the pullback and sell it again. Where will the oil possibly pull back to? Okay, look for the structure, okay? This may give you some hint. Okay, it is very possible, you know, liberal pattern, okay? The liberal pattern may work, okay? Oh, sorry, it is not here, maybe here. Okay, so if oil have a very strong rally, it's also possible because it has really dropped a lot without a proper correction and pulls back our, you know, take the Fibonacci level. At least you wait for the 46.11 or 48.33, this level you want to short again. Okay, so right now in here, take some profit of your short position and make the rest break even. Wait for the pullback patiently and short it again. Okay, and people are saying potential cipher, right? Okay, let's see. Where is the cipher? Jonathan, where is the cipher pattern for the oil? Are you talking about the very, very big picture? Ah, who is naughty doing this handout? Daily, okay, daily, cipher pattern, let's look at here. Is there any cipher pattern? Are you taking up this cipher? Do you? It may possible, but you know, yeah, it's still a valid cipher. Still valid cipher. Okay, looks like, but to be honest, I don't want to learn, okay, because the X point is not very low. The X point is not here. Okay, what happens if the oil just don't want to do any correction and just want to complete this path? Okay, it's possible, right? It's possible. So yeah, I want to learn the oil, okay, in this downtrend. I only want to short the pullback. Okay, the cipher may work, okay, it may work, but okay, the choice you can make is you don't want to long here and, you know, take profit so quickly and be, you know, get on here. Okay, we want to focus on the short because it's a downtrend and it's just started the downtrend. The downtrend just started. Okay, you see the long-term bullish trend line, no, just broken, not so so early. It just broke recently, right? Pulls back and now it comes down again. So we want to focus on the short because you know that the downside room is much bigger than the upside room. Okay, 39.7, 36, right? These are the two levels. Okay, so just take note that sometimes, okay, when you do the IPDE, okay, remember, check the last slides for our course. Okay, check the last slide for our course. You know that, yeah, we don't want to take any harmonic patterns. If you see that, you want to do the, you know, you want to do the further confirmations, right? The confirmation will be useful when you apply those other things like RSI, you know, 10 trading rules. Okay, yeah. Okay, predict and decide whether you want to do it. Okay, the RSI, check the RSI, check the quality of the X point, the structure, right? Any news to be announced, any fundamental things to be changed. How about the moving average? Did I pick the correct X point? Is there any pattern combination, right? So a lot of things you need to double check before you really choose the pattern to trade. Okay, and pay attention to the location. The location is the most important part, just like properties, right? When you guys meet a real estate property agent, ask you to invest, right? He would just say the property is always about the location, right? So similar for the trading, location. Okay, low location, high location, you want to sell, low location, you want to buy, and from the high to low, that is a trend. Okay, the trend is developed from the higher location to the lower location, and then it flips away. Okay, just another time. Okay, so you have the price, okay, structure from high to low and low to high. It just keep doing the same thing over and over again. The trend is developed when the price move from the high location to a low location in a big time frame. All right. Okay, finish off the oil. Let's talk about the euro. How's the weather in your country? Wow, the euro just dropped so quick, right? it is going to complete to our ABCD pattern, just similar like dollar index. Okay, so just watch the price action here when the euro comes to this and this zone. Okay, and if there's a positive price actions, and let's check about the RSI. If the RSI also shows, you know, like bullish divergence, you can continue to long. Okay, and the stop loss should be below 1.0519. Okay, but okay, I don't see there is any positive divergence in the RSI. Did you guys see that? The RSI is breaking lower low. Okay, it is not making a higher low. Okay, so the RSI is not fulfill the long entry. So be careful for this buy. You can use these patterns. You can use this ABCD pattern to take profit of your euro short, but do not long it very early. Okay, don't long it. Yeah, the euro I'm talking now, Eddie. So don't long the euro until you see a price action here. Make a double pop bottom or make a very long pin bar. Okay, test it is 1.010513 and makes this support level being, you know, tested, being confirmed, then you buy. Okay, otherwise just keep the short, but you can take some profits. Let's talk about the monthly chart for the euro. I just want to highlight. Okay, there's one sentence which I write in the trading view. Did you guys see the chart? Did you guys check my views every day? I hope you do so, because a lot of times I may not have time to, you know, to really tell you guys, hey, there's opportunities. Okay, because my job or my main responsibilities for me to tell you, to teach you how to fish, okay, not to give you fish, right? So yeah, if there's any idea I have, okay, I developed an idea for any charts, okay, I will publish in trading view. And you guys, since you have already learned my course, you should know better what is my thinking, what is my view now. Okay, so there's a sentence saying here, okay, if price break through 1.05 level, euro may all the way go to 1.0, the fair value, right? So let's look at the let's look at the monthly chart. Okay. Hey Jackie, can you be quiet, silent for a while? I'm having a webinar. Okay, for the euro, okay, we have a monthly chart. You can see that there is, you know, this is a consolidation, all right? The euro completes a very big head. This is a heading formation. The neckline looks like here. Okay, looks like this is neckline. The breakthrough, okay, consolidate for almost 2 years. Okay, from 2015 March, and now it's 2016 December, almost 2 years. So after this consolidation, okay, the price may further decline to the 1.0, the fair value. Okay, this structure. So do take note, the euro may further going down, and this wedge or this consolidation channel may not hold. Okay, so if euro really breaks down, don't buy it, short it. Okay, make sense? All right, so don't just remember that you need to check the bigger charts, a higher time frame. Okay, like the monthly chart, at least one time per month, so that you know where is the location now, and you know that, yeah, for the trend continuation, breakdown sideways, it may breaks down further more, right? Remember to break down further more. Okay, 1.0 is very likely to be pattern. Okay, so euro, okay, if you want to long, okay, watch for the price action. If no price action, no divergence, don't buy. Okay, all right, let's look at the sterling. Okay, sterling pair, sterling is the only currency that I'm buying. Okay, and I'm still holding some long positions in some other accounts. Okay, but right now what we can do is, you know, take some profit of the long position because you have reached the target here. Okay, sterling is reaching this structure. Okay, so this is a structure that is violated and pulls back in. Right now, sterling is still in the uptrend. right? Very surprisingly, euro is down, Aussie is down, dollar yen is up, but the sterling, it looks like still in the uptrend. It still have some support. Why? The reason is because it's just the price is too low and attract a lot of buyers. Okay, there's a unwillingness for the sellers to sell. Okay, and buyers want to buy, and especially when the news happened that the British, okay, the UK may not exit from the euro happens. Okay, so the price makes a very good strong rally. Okay, Nuno said 1.25, 245, good place to buy again. Yeah, it may be. But 1.245, okay, there's a structure here. Okay, also a trend line support. You can have a buying. You can try to buy and have a just tight stop loss here and wait for it to push back again. Okay, however, for the sterling, okay, what I can say is still in the it's in sideways. Okay, sideways. Okay, this is a low, this is high, and the price is coming down from the range. Okay, the May goes back to at least the May goes back to 0.61 level, which is 1.2308. Okay, so if I want to buy the sterling, I will wait for the price to come back here. Okay, to this double bottoms neckline. Okay, this is also a 2618 trade. All right, so wait for the sterling to come back to this level and determine whether you want to buy or you want to short. Yep. Okay, look at the dollar yen. Dollar yen is like, sending money, right? It's almost like 1 month ago, we predict that dollar yen, the best buying opportunity is at 101.80. And raise your hand. Tell me if you buy the dollar yen at 101.80, 50, or 102 even. Did you guys do it? Did you guys buy it? Good. I'm happy for that. Okay. That is a very, very big trade, big winner. Okay, said miss it. Why do you miss it? Did you not opening your charts when the election is going on? Was not even in group back then. Yeah, true. Yes, DT, it is not even in the group at the time. Yeah, okay. It's when the dollar yen rallied to 105, we actually want to buy it. We want to chase a price. We don't want to buy the high. We only want to buy the low. Okay, buy the low. Buy at 0.618. Buy at this structure. Okay, so this is a very perfect example that how important that we understand buy low is. Okay, buy low, and you can see that the price rallies take a rocket. Right, it's almost 102 to 108. Wow, 637 pips. Huge winner. Okay, and right now the dollar yen is going up. It has broken the structure, right? So it's still bullish. It's still bullish. Okay. Okay, Jonathan says took your most of profit at 107. Well, that's good. That's good. You can take some profit. Okay, you can take all. That's okay. So right now you know that if the dollar yen pulls back to here, you can buy, right? The structure, broken structure, retested. You want to buy again. You want to re-enter the trade. That's possible, but don't short dollar yen right now. It's still in a very low location. So the dollar yen may all the way goes back to 109. 109 is the first target, and 115 is the second target. Okay, so dollar yen is still rally to these two levels. So we want to focus on the buy. Okay, buy the low, buy the pullback. Okay. Okay. Let's check for the Aussie. Aussie, we have a very nice short. Okay, just now you guys already see that, right? And it has broken the structure, broken the trend. So this confirmation of this downtrend, and what I forecast or what I see for the Aussie is it will go for these ABCD patterns. Okay, it may go for these ABCD patterns. So since I already have very nice place for the shorting, okay, I don't want to lose my position so quickly. I want to hold the short position all the way to 0.71 first. Okay, so that's why I'm still having my trade. Okay, I'm still having my trade right now, and I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it because I know that it will just, you know, continue to further decline. Okay, so I will just keep my shorts. Okay, let the profit run. Okay, that's what I can do. And similar, we can always do that. Okay, just you know that we just catch a very starting of the trend, the new trend. Okay, and if the new trend really develops, focus on the short. Focus on the short. Okay, let the profit run. Right. Good. So Aussie bearish. Okay, bearish. Okay, for the kiwi also bearish. All right, kiwi just completed very nice ABCD pattern, this previous structure, and people who are selling for the 0.618 at 0.73, okay, also have a very nice profit, right? Which is what I post in the charts. We already pay attention to this level and we want to short, right? ABCD pattern, 618 level, short. Okay, first target is almost getting closer. Okay, and second target is 0.67. Okay. Okay, let's check about the SP 500. Okay, SP 500 we short last Friday. I say this structure I want to short, right? This is structure, the main structure here. Okay, you can see this very red candle. Okay, so that is origin of this bearish move. Okay, pulls back again. Last time we short here, take profit here, take profit at 2,900, 2,100. Okay, and then rallies again, we're gonna short again. So the S&P short it. Okay, no worries. Just put your stop loss above this. September 8th. I remember. I think Jonathan, you asked me where is the stop loss, right? Is it the question that you asked me? And I say, or on another guy, I can't remember. I say, check the September 8th candle, put your stop loss above this high, okay, and you're safe. Okay, if it breaks up this level again, makes a S&P, oh, Ali, okay, good. So did you short? Yeah. Ali asked this question. So did you short, Ali? I hope you did, okay, and we are having profit already. Yeah, we are in profit, okay. Okay, look at the JPN 225, and who is asking for the advice for this Nikkei? Are you here, Jonathan? Right? Okay, yeah, Jonathan. You can see. Okay, there's a correlation between the Nikkei and dollar yen and S&P 500. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys today this very good website to check the correlations. Okay, so just remember this is a correlation website. Okay, MRCI. Okay, it is I think you need to pay some money, but I managed to get the free one. It seems that last time they just closed this, make this link unavailable for those people who didn't pay for the service, but now they reopen it. Okay, so this will be the correlations between all the currencies and also the futures. Okay, I'm going to enlarge it. Okay, let's check. So for the Nikkei, okay, let's look at the Nikkei. Where's the Nikkei? NQ, S&P, TY, Euro. Where's the Nikkei? We don't have a Nikkei. I need to check the CME group. Nikkei USD future codes. E mini Nikkei 225. What is the contract? Codes. Yeah, global futures. Specs. Unfortunately, I cannot see that. ENY, okay, ENY, E mini Nikkei 225 yen, denominated. Product code ENY. Okay, let's check. ENY, is an ENY here? No. NQ, ES, YM is Dow Jones. Unfortunately, didn't have here. EU, okay. Yeah, it's not here. Okay, never mind. I'm going to show you another way. Okay, so this is a Nikkei 225. So you compare with dollar yen, and you can see that the beautiful correlation between these two products. Okay. Yes, I'm going to do that. No worries, Eddie. Okay, so the Nikkei, okay, looks like it's performance the similar way for the dollar yen. So dollar yen we are bullish, and we forecast the dollar yen may goes up to here. Okay, and so it's similar for the Nikkei. So Nikkei may also goes up again to this level first. Okay, and you can draw this 618 level from high to low. You know that, yeah, it just touched nicely for the 618. Okay, so Jonathan, are you clear? You know that, yeah, the Nikkei may still climb higher. Don't short, okay? This structure may not work, okay, because the most important structure is here, okay? You can see that, okay, yeah, if S&P is going down, all right, the Nikkei may still going up. Sometimes it happens, okay, because you can check here, you understand that why is that so. Let's compare the Nikkei and the weekly charts and S&P. You can see that it doesn't move all the same all the time. Okay, this is S&P. S&P climbs to all-time high, but Nikkei, what happens to Nikkei? Guys, can you see that? Nikkei actually goes down. The S&P from here, yeah, it goes down again. So this part is the same. Okay, but then the S&P goes up here. However, the Nikkei still remain the same, right? Remain the same. So the correlation may not work this time because the S&P may goes down, but the Nikkei may goes up to the structure. So different products, you use the same analysis, that use the same patterns or use the same structure things, okay, for different ones. Okay, the correlation, it works, but it not tells you the guarantee that S&P 500 Nikkei will work all the same all the time. Okay. Yep. Dow Jones. Oh, no, I'm not going to cover Dow Jones because it was similar. Okay. All right. Look at Dow Jones. The Trump effect, okay, puts the Dow Jones higher, right? Dow Jones just breaks all-time high, okay, and that because the Trump will have some actions, okay, to abandon the Wall Street act, okay, so it be considered is a good news for the bank shares, okay, but do we want to buy the high? Do we want to chase a price? Do you, Peter? No, we don't want to chase a price, right? Yeah, and we don't want to short because there's no reason for us to short. Yeah, there's no structure. If you want to short, it's hard to determine your stop loss. Okay, and daily chart is just being so strong. Okay, however, there is a potential ABCD pattern. This may give you some hints. Okay, so this ABCD pattern will give you some hints. it may goes to, okay, 19086. Okay, so this ABCD pattern will works for this US 30. Okay, Peter, do you get it? This ABCD pattern tells you that, yeah, the bullish move may finish at 1,009. No, sorry, 19,086. Okay, lastly, DAX, which is German 30. DAX, yeah, the DAX is not performing either good or weak, it's just sideways, okay? But the trend is confirmed, okay, they have already, breaks the downtrend. Now it's in the uptrend, but in the sideways, okay? So there's a possibility for the for the DAX to going higher, okay? If possible, that it may go too, okay? But you don't want to buy it here, okay? Buy only after the breakout. Buy the breakout, pulls back, and you want to buy, okay? Or you wait for it to pulls back to this level, which is 10,000 or 11,000. You wait for the price to come down again, and you want to buy, okay? Right now, it's still in the range, so I don't see any good trading opportunities. The reason I don't want to short because the previous is uptrend, sideways, break the long-term downtrend. So it is not good or not wise to catch a very long-term downtrend. It is not very wise to short. Okay, I don't want to short. I want to short when it comes to this level. This level I want to short. Okay. However, in this range, I want to buy the breakout or buy the low and sell the high. Is it correlated to euro dollar? No, I don't think so. If you want to see whether it is correlated to euro dollar, you just need to compare. And you just use your eyes to determine whether it's correlated. All right, here is correlated. Okay, the euro doing the QE, so it's good for the stocks. Okay, but then, okay, euro goes up, it didn't go down. Okay, and then now this thing, the DAX is moving up, the euro is moving down. Looks like this inverse correlation, but I don't see the correlation is very strong. No, it is not very strong. SPX already covered. Yeah, I already covered. So check the video, check the recordings. Okay, it is already 1 hour time, so I think it's enough for today, for this week. We have covered almost all the things. Okay. Okay, look at natural gas, maybe the final. Natural gas, wow, that is a beautiful cipher pattern, right? We have a cipher pattern completed. Yes, we did. Yeah, we have a cipher pattern for the natural gas. And the price action shows good. It shows good. So maybe we can take profit of the short and we're going to buy the natural gas and wait for it to comes back to 618 level, which is 3.049. So the natural gas may rally to 3.049. Of course, 2.856 is the first target. Second target will be 3.049. Okay, so the reason we want to buy the natural gas is this structure is still valid. Okay. Jack, why don't think the X point lower? I mean here. Oh yeah, it could be. Long term, yeah. Maybe we have this cipher just like gold, right? Okay, but based on the structure, you can see that this cipher works. So since this cipher pattern works, I mean, why not we join the trade? Why not we join the trade? It works. The structure is tested, and now when you buy, you have higher possibility to win, right? And your stop loss can just be easily set below this X and aim for the 382 and aim for 618 and short again. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Are we good? Okay. So guys, remember. Okay. Don't worry about the the fundamentals or a lot of the stuff that a lot of people. There's always a lot of people are telling you, yeah, the gold is going to up because it's a bullish trend, or a lot of noise, a lot of other people's comments or sayings, right? And you need to believe in your own system because trade what you see is the most important part. Okay, don't chase a price. Just remember, don't chase a price. Look at the gold. Okay, I want to emphasize this another time. Look at the gold and look at, just thinking, who is these people? Who are the people buying at this, who are chasing the price here? Who is these people? And who is selling to them? Okay, so just remember there are two groups of people in the world in trading. One we call institutions, right? Institutions. Second group is retail trader. Retail trader. Okay, so you need to ask yourself, institutions are buying or selling at this bar, or retail traders are buying, and who are selling to them, right? And who is the people who are selling to them at the structure? Okay, so if you chase a price and you don't run it very fast, you'll get hurt. Ali says, yeah, I'm good. I'm right about dollar CAD. Everybody's selling and I'm buying. Yeah, because I know that I already told you guys, right? The dollar CAD has finished the downtrend, that breaks the triangle, right? It breaks the wedge, okay? And we're heading to 1.36 and 1.38, okay? And then most likely it goes to 618 level, 1.3838, right? And we have very nice buy, right? So you need to understand, again, for this scenario, location. Is the dollar CAD in a very high location when it pulls back to, when it comes up to 1.34? No, it is not. The high locations are there, 1.46. It is not a very good place to short. We want to short the high, right? We want to short the high. Libra, where's the Libra? No, I don't see any Libra pattern. I don't see any Libra pattern right now. So just use the 6.8 level, use the structure here. Wait for the price to come in this zone, okay? And based on price action, you want to short. All right. Okay. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Okay. So after this 1 hour course, I think you guys know the market better, and just remember the things. Okay, if you getting, you know, vague or getting not familiar with the course, take a review. Okay, review the videos, review the course. Okay, review the PDFs. All right. Okay, remember what I teach you, what I emphasize most. Okay, and putting your trading into the trade log. Okay, just like Ali. Okay, just like Annie, just like Nuno. Okay, getting some journals. Okay, for every trade you take. Okay, and then you benefit in the future. Yeah, YouTube, Kathy. Yes. So in the YouTube, you just need to go to the YouTube and you just search ProJack. I'm going to upload it in the ProJack in my channel. It will be ProJack trading cards. Yeah, it will be in this playlist. Okay, I'm going to upload. Yeah. All right, and yeah, I will need your help, guys, because you can see that a lot of people are still struggling in their trading. So if you do have some friends you want to recommend to my course, okay, please send them this link. Okay, I have made my link I have redeveloped my whole website. Okay, now it looks very good, and I have consistently uploaded a lot of stuffs in my website. Some, like, you know, chat history or the trading results. Okay, so just take your, if some people asking like how they want to learn trading, okay, yeah, you can recommend to me, and the course, this is the link. Okay. Let me check why does this link doesn't work right now. It should work. Yes, here. Okay, so I have already explained a lot of things that why people need to be, you know, educated, to be instructed before they really spend their money in the trading world. Okay, yeah, so share to them. Okay, if you think my course is worth to learn. All right. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, guys. See you next time, and Good trade. Plan your trade through your plan. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.